Hello everyone, welcome to the greenhouse. Today we're going to take a look at the Mr. Landscaper system that I have set up to automate watering in the greenhouse. This is where I'm actually joining two of the lines to my feed line. I'm going to put a timer on that, maybe get rid of that hose, but for now this is how I hooked it up. Connects to the hose and then it splits, and one side, actually we'll start here, one side does a little bit of watering for some of these air plants up in the air, and then the other, as it goes, I have it feeding to the pots. As you can see, I'm using the Mr. Landscape Post metering valve, a little Chinese sprinkler head that I had picked up just so I get directed water. And over here, this is where the line finishes up. You can see I'm actually using the system that they developed to kink it and hold it in place, and that stops the line. And then here I've actually taken one of the sprinkler heads apart and just using the metering valve, so I can stick that right down into the earth box system and water it. And over here, it's kind of the same thing. I'm using the Mr. Landscape spray adapters for pots, another sprinkler head, and these feed directly in. And over here for my herbs, I just use the metering valve, a little bit of pipe, stick it right into the self-watering system. So we're going to turn the system on. We'll take a look. This will be one of the tests to see. I'm trying to get it so that it doesn't waste so much water, because when the earth boxes are full, they just drip out the bottom. And I want the pots, because the basil plants here are growing like crazy, so I need the pots to get relatively well saturated before the earth boxes start to drip. So we'll turn it on and take a look.